In this movie, I'll show you how you can connect Fluent CRM with Gravity Forms using Fluent CRM incoming webhook modules. So at first, let's go to Fluent Forms dashboard, and from here go to the settings and scroll down to incoming webhooks, and here you can create your incoming webhook which will listen to any request posted from any third-party apps using their outgoing webhooks. So let's create the webhook first and name the webhook. I'm going to name it as test. So select your list. I have one list here for testing purposes, which is subscribers. And now we can select your tag. So for example, our subscribers has two tag, USA and Canada. I can choose anyone and choose the status. This is mandatory. Let's make it subscribed. So create your webhook. Here you will get the hook URL, but let's update it first. And here is the hook URL. So now let's go to Gravity Forms and create a new form. Give it a name like test and create the form. In this dashboard, I actually want to create a very simple contact form using the name field and the email field. That's it. Nothing much, nothing complex, just the name and email. And now let's update this form. Now go to your setting, and from the setting you will find the webhooks of Gravity Forms and create a webhook feed. Here it will ask for a request URL, and this request URL you will get from Fluent CRM. Copy the request URL and paste it here. The request method is post, um, and the request format is actually form, not JSON. Okay, the request header is default. We do not need to select any custom header. It's the default header, and the request body is going to be select fields. And now we need to match the key value pair, and the key you will find in your webhook. Open the webhook again, and here you will find all the key for the fields. For example, for first name, the key is this one. So copy this and add this key here and select the value from the form input. So here is the first name. Click the plus icon, add another field. So now I will add the last name, which is this. Choose the value for the last name. Yeah. So now I will add another field for email, and the key for the email is actually just email. So copy this and select the value for the email field. So here the form input email located, so choose email. And now you need to click on update settings. So the feed is updated successfully. Now if you use this form in anywhere in your site and the user submit the form, the data will pass to Fluent CRM. Let's show you. Go to the preview of the form and let's add something like this and submit the form. So this data should have been available in Fluent CRM contacts. Go to all contacts and you'll find this data is available here. I have created only a simple form using first name, last name, and email, and I created the feed also using first name, last name, and email. You can do whatever you would like to do, and by with this way you can connect any third-party apps with Fluent CRM, which offers a outgoing webhook. Outgoing webhooks are basically when an action is performed by the user and uh, any apps submit the data, and Fluent Form has incoming webhook which will always listen to the request submitted from third-party apps. So this way you can connect Fluent CRM to any third-party apps which offer outgoing webhooks. Thanks for watching this video.